Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are removing the taillight assembly on this Renault Clio. Let's open the trunk. So right here is a fastener. Unscrew that. Like so. Now we can grab a hold of the assembly. Now you want to remove this connector and this you push on that tab and pull it out. Now you can push on these two tabs, this one and that one. And lift the lamp holder out. There you go. Now you can replace whichever bulb needs replacing simply by turning, push down a bit and turn. That's it. Now to reinstall it, just reverse the steps. Snap it into place. Replace the connectors. Like so. Push it into place and replace this fastener. That's it. Well guys, now you know how to remove and replace the taillight assembly on this Renault Clio. Thanks everyone for watching. Remember, like and subscribe guys. And you see me in the next one. See ya.